Welcome to the final episode of our Labor Day series. We've talked about emotional labor, equity, rest, and boundaries. But today we're talking about the most essential and often the most difficult kind of labor in any relationship: showing up. Showing up isn't just being physically present, it's being emotionally available. It's choosing to engage even when you're tired, distracted, or unsure. It's easy to show up when things are fun or convenient, but real love shows up when it's messy, when someone's grieving, when the conversation is hard, when you'd rather look away, but you don't. Showing up is labor. It takes time, energy, vulnerability, and it's often the thing that makes the biggest difference. So let me tell you about Malcolm and his dad. Growing up, Malcolm's dad worked long hours, provided everything materially, but emotionally, he was absent. No calls, no check-ins, no "how are you doing?" When Malcolm became a father himself, he realized something. Love isn't just providing material things, it's presence. And he also realized absence leaves a mark, even when it's unintentional. Not showing up doesn't always mean neglect. Sometimes it's fear. Sometimes it's distraction. But the impact is the same. People feel alone. So how do we make showing up a daily action? Here are 3 ways to start. Number 1, be consistent, not perfect. You don't have to say the perfect thing. You just have to be there. A simple "I'm thinking of you" can mean more than a grand gesture. Number 2, stay present, even when it's uncomfortable. Don't rush to fix. Don't change the subject. Sit with someone in their pain. That's showing up. And number 3, follow through. If you say "I'll call," then you should call. If you say "I'll be there," then you should be there. Reliability builds trust, and trust is the foundation of love. Showing up is how we say, "You matter to me. I'm not going anywhere." This Labor Day, let's honor the labor of love, the quiet, consistent, courageous act of showing up for our partners, our friends, our families, our communities, and ourselves. Because in the end, love isn't just a feeling, it's a choice, it's a habit, it's work, it's labor, and it's worth it. You take care and stay connected.